Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp calls problem. So if you have any problem with the WhatsApp call, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing you wanna do to fix this problem is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this, go to the apps. Now on this page, all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds. After you wait a few seconds, now scroll until you find the WhatsApp. Click on it. Now this is the app informations page. All what you wanna do here is click on the force stop and then click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions like this. And now go back, click on the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache, and that's it. Now click on the power usage details, click on the app launch and then turn on the manage automatically option, click OK, and now restart your phone, reopen WhatsApp, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial until the end.